Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm gonna share the recipe of potato patties. I'm using puff pastry sheets, which are 10 pieces in this box, 10 square pieces. Here I have taken 3 medium potatoes, boiled them with a little bit of salt and then mashed them. 1 medium onion chopped, handful of coriander leaves chopped, and 2 small green chilies finely chopped. Over here I have the dry spices, and for the reference I'm using the baking spoon, which is 1 teaspoon. And if we start from this, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Over here I have roasted and grinded cumin seeds, which is 1 teaspoon, 1 generous teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then I have the chaat masala, which is 1 teaspoon also. And then we will need lemon juice, and I'll take 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in the end. So let's start mixing everything together. Here I'm using 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use butter also. Melt it, and then on medium flame add the chopped onion and fry until translucent. So in a minute or two, once the onions are translucent, we can add the mashed potatoes along with all the dry spices to it. So the potatoes are in there. Let's add all the dry spices. And I forgot to mention that when we eat those potato patties outside in the mall or somewhere, they have a color, the mixture. So we can add a little bit of yellow color to the mixture just to give it a nice professional touch. And you can also add turmeric or haldi while boiling them, but I really don't like the taste of it. So I'm just adding this yellow color, just 1/4 teaspoon if you like to do that. And then mix it along with the spices and the onions. It's always a good idea to mix with the spices, give it a minute to cook through, and then taste if you need any of the seasoning more than you have added. It's always a good idea to start with less spices than to add more and then have a very bitter taste or a very spicy dish or the recipe turning out. Let's give it a good mix on still medium heat and then let it cool down. Now just adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I'll mix it, and then once it's all cooled down, then we are going to add the last thing, which is the dried coriander leaves. Just in the very end, when everything is cooled down and we are ready to assemble the potatoes in the puff pastry sheets to bake them. So now, after an hour, the potato mixture is all cooled down. I'm going to add the coriander leaves and mix it with a spoon, or if you want, you can mix it with your hands also. Over here, I have opened this packet. I'm using puff pastry sheets by Taza, and here they are. They are square in shape, not too big, not too small. I guess one will easily give 2 patties. We will see how they will. Over here I have some plain flour just to help in rolling the sheets out, and my baking sheet with aluminum foil and a little bit of baking spray is ready too. So hi guys, here I'm assembling the puff patties. Over here you can come and see that if you want a little bit less filling, you can add a little bit less. And here the egg wash is ready. I have just sprinkled a little bit of black peppers, otherwise no salt or any other spice. Over here we are gonna just roll it and press it, and then just seal this over here and the ends, and then with the help of a fork you can just make these indentations and double seal the edges. And over here, this I'm placing it in my grease tray like this, keeping a little distance because once they start baking they just rise and they double in size, sometimes they increase in size. So like this, and let's make some more. Brush some oil or butter onto the foil so it helps to get the baked puff pastry out easily without sticking them on the foil. So I'm just gonna grease it lightly like this and start making the puff pastries. So friends, with this pack of 10 square sheets of puff pastry, I made 5 of these which are rectangle. I just used one sheet and made a rectangular patties. And over here for 5 I just cut them diagonally and then got these out of the other 5. So I'm gonna just keep them in the refrigerator for a while. This is how they look. So now I have my oven which is preheating at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and it's around 190 degrees Celsius. And in the meantime, I'm going to just do this egg wash over the patties. These rectangular patties are also ready with the egg wash. Our oven is also ready at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's put them in. Now we will give them 12 to 15 minutes or until they are golden brown and fully baked. So dear friends, at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes they were getting baked, and look how beautiful they all look. When you will eat it with the chutneys which are homemade, you will enjoy these potato patties and you will go down the memory lane. Today I have assembled this, the mash ki dal ke dahi bade, and with a can of chickpeas and just the yogurt, and this is for the iftar along with the khajur and some mango juice. That's the menu. So if you like this video, if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay well. Take care of yourself. Till next time, goodbye. Love you all.